looking at how to make this kind of an animation presentation, which is very much useful in providing a good aesthetics and as well as to attract your audience and keep them intact. It is very much also useful for storytelling activities. So let's start and do this kind of animation. So I will just take a new slide. Images we can actually get from the Google. Just search it on the Google, and in the images you will find a lot of you can find a very good blue images. From here you can actually take a blank slide here. On this, first go for the format background, go into the picture fill, and since I have selected this picture already, you can actually take a insert. From insert you can actually copy from the uh, downloads. You will get that the pictures. I have done this. So green sky colored insert. So this image is already done. Now on this image, what we have to do, we have to go into the insert and go into shapes, and this parallelogram we have to take, and then just take it to the center. Just plot it up the way you want it. I just right now want this. Then Control C, Control V, we'll just copy it here and place it properly. Control V, this is to paste here. Now what we have to do, we have to first insert an image in each of this. So I will just take this part and take format shape. Into format shape, go into the picture text field. Right now I am already selected that green, that's the reason it is showing green one. We can actually insert from here. This is inserted. Now I want here to have the blue screen. So here, go into this picture and texture, go into the insert font, and I will take this blue one. Now on this part I want to have the orange part, like a glowing life kind of an effect which what we want to give. So again I will go to the insert and then take this iStock photo. This is the iStock photo which I have taken. Now all these three are done here. Now what you have to do, you have to just write here. For example, I will write the color of life. The color of life. Here I will write okay, good times, bad times. We will do just good times, and here we'll do bad times. Now what we have to do, we have to just increase the font size. Just go it here, and I will just increase it to 782 for the time being. Let's say let's take for the time being this also to 72, and this to 72. So these are right now what we have done. Now go on to this image and right click on, and you have to do bring front. This should be the front one. Now just copy it down the whole slide again, the second slot down. Now what you have to do, you just select all these three slides, go into the shape format, align, and go into the center. So now all these three images are now centered across, and which here they are in the center part, and all these three are below that. Now what we have to do, I think just one more thing which we left. We have to actually remove the lines also from this, so that it will be no line, so it will be a smooth flow. Otherwise it will be looking a kind of a lining effect. Now just the align to center. Now what you can do, just put it on the top, this and this. Now just um, you have to add the morph effect, go into the transitions, morph. Now we can actually see into the ppt, see the effects are very much likely what we wanted to have. Good times, bad times, good times, bad times, we can actually do this. So I hope you understand how to make this kind of a video, where how to make this kind of a presentation where you can have a sliding effects of the two slides coming out going in, coming out going in, which will actually help you a lot to have a good impression on your subordinates or the audience which is watching your videos and all. Thanks a lot.